Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Adrian BALTAR from 1216 STEM, and this video I'm going to show you on how to make a animal cell 3D model by using recyclable materials like this. Dun, 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 dun. So let's get started. So before we start, the materials that we are going to need to make this project is and now let's get started. The first thing that I made is the cytoplasm. What I did is I cut the cartoon into a circle and made a perfect circle that fits the ball. Then I used glue gun to paste it on a green colored paper. Then I glued the cytoplasm into the ball. The next is the nucleus. What I did was I cut half of it to become smaller. After that, I drew a round hole to fit the deodorant's cover to serve as nucleus, and then I glued it. I used blue paint to make it blue, and I also used black paint to match the nucleus. Then when it's formed, I glued the center of the cytoplasm. Instead of waiting for it to dry without doing anything, I started to make a mitochondria. I used small plastic bottles and cut it into two. The next is I used yellow paint to color it and let it dry. While waiting for it to dry, I started doing the lysosome. Here, I used the cover of a plastic bottle and immediately paste it using the glue gun. After that, I painted the Pepsi logo into color green and waited it to dry. And then I made a Golgi apparatus using a green plastic bottle and cut it to make a circle. After that, I fold it like number 8 and paste it to each other using glue gun. The next thing I made is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. I did the same procedure with Golgi apparatus, but I'm using transparent plastic bottle, and after that I painted it into color orange and let it dry. When the mitochondria is already dry, I pasted it immediately using glue gun. I also put glue stick inside the mitochondria so that it will look more pleasing and waited it to dry. And then, when the nucleus is already dry, I draw a line to represent the chromatin using black paint. Then, I put the ribosome into the cytoplasm using black paint. Once the stick glue dries in the mitochondria, I painted it into color blue inside the mitochondria. And when the lysosomes dried, I fill it with dots using black paint to look more pleasing. When the rough endoplasmic reticulum dried, I pasted it. And the next thing that I did is I painted the edges of the cell membrane into color orange and waited it to dry. Then the next thing that I did is the centrioles. Using white bottle cap and painted it into yellow and immediately pasted it. The next thing that I did is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Using the same procedure with the rough endoplasmic reticulum, but it is more thicker. And then I fold it into circle 2 times and glued it. I painted it into color red as well and let it dry for a minute and paste it. The next is the cytoskeleton. I drew cytoskeleton using a pencil. And the last thing I made is the vacuole using a green plastic cup. I painted the other plastic cup into color green just to hide the logo and glue it. And now we're done. This is the final output of our project, which is animal cell 3D model by using recyclable materials. And this is the Celia, by the way. And I hope you learned something about this video, and hope to see you soon, my classmates in 1216, and especially to my advisors, Sir Zebred. And God bless all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.